In this video, I will show you how to activate transparency mode on your AirPods Pro. So let's jump straight into it. So on your AirPods Pro, there's actually two different modes available. You have the noise cancellation mode or you have the transparency mode. So with the noise cancellation mode, what that basically does is it cancels any outside noise once you've got your AirPods in, whereas transparency mode actually disables this. So to go ahead and switch between the two different modes, if you actually go ahead and look at one of your AirPods, and on the stem of the AirPod, there's going to be a little button. It's like a groove called a force sensor. So I'm just going to turn this around and you can see this little groove section here on the stem. So this is called the force sensor. Now all you need to do is once you've got your AirPods connected to your device, you just want to go ahead and press and hold onto this force sensor. And what that's going to do is disable or enable transparency mode. So of course you would press and hold, it's set by default to noise cancellation, but what you would do is press and hold onto the groove here, so the force sensor, press and hold that to turn on transparency mode. And to switch back to noise cancellation, of course what you would do is just go ahead and press and hold again onto the force sensor. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.